Welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, how do you get the hollow Scythe on Blox fruit? So, it's really not that simple to get, but with time and persistence, you're going to be able to do this. So, what boss drops the hollow Scythe on Blox fruit? So, the boss would have to be the Soul Reaper, and you're going to be, it's in the 3rd sea, okay? So spawns randomly. You have to like actually go and find him and lurking by, and you have to defeat him in order for you to get the Soul Reaper's reward, which is the Hollow Scythe, which is an a really OP equipment and arsenal, and it's really handy when you use it on quests, and it'll just domino effect from there. It'll make your chores a lot more easier. So thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials. You guys have a nice day.